Hello everyone. For this time, I thought I will make a video where I will paint some letters. You can learn while you watch. It's not a proper tutorial, but you can still watch and recreate. While I am painting, I'll also bring to your table some problem that a lot of our friends, our relatives, our acquaintance share their problems with us, and we give advices. So sometimes we come back home and we think, okay, maybe this was not what I told was not the right solution, or maybe there is a different perspective to it. So I thought I'll plan a series where I'll paint something relevant to the topic, and also bring the problem to your knowledge, and also tell you like what I felt about it, and you can go ahead and comment what you feel about it. So the lot of conversations and perspectives will bring, who knows, a right solution, or a solution that will fit to that person for that situations, right? So here is the problem. The first thing I thought I'll take something lighter, and something very general. It's about one of my acquaintance, a school girl who's just completed her school, and she is confused about her career options. Why is the confusion? Because there are a lot of advices that come to you once you've done with the school, and once you're going for higher studies. Now there are a lot of trend that you don't even have to study, and all that, and follow your passion. And few says, whatever passion is, making money is one of the essential part of life, so go behind that. Or some says dream big and achieve, make something of your own. But the problem this girl has is she never dreamt. She doesn't have a big dream, and she doesn't regret about it. She simply doesn't want to dream big. She was just flowing through her life so long. She liked going to school, she liked gaining knowledge, she studied because she wanted to know what it was, and she also explored out of the book. She has gone to places, she reads a lot, and she's explored a lot of stuff. She liked making friends. She liked the concept of schools because it was, institution with different colors and races. So she enjoyed going to school, but it was not for any bigger goals. Really don't have any bigger goal in life. And when you come to interest, she has various interests, and she's a type of girl who will deep dive and get to it. Like, there are people who have various interests, but interest stays interest. You will not know what to do beyond that. But this girl, whatever she wants to learn, she learns it until she knows the art to its finest level. But the problem is, once she learns, it bores her. When she feels, it's not like she becomes an expert in everything she learns. The problem is that she doesn't want to become an expert. Once the learning is done, once she knows what is what, for example, if she's learning a painting, like for brush lettering, for the say, because I'm doing that here, if she knows what stroke is what and how to bring up that result, and that's it. The learning is done, and you just have to improvise over it to just get better. So that improvisation, that's where she thinks, she doesn't feel the commitment there. Once the learning is done, there's nothing else for her to take from there. So she moves on to the next thing to learn. So the thirst is there to learn new things, and she does like quite well in everything, but she can't sustain in one particular activity or interest. So that's the problem. And she shared this with me, and she didn't know what to do. And there are again two bifurcations where people say, follow your passion and money will follow you. Few people say passion, is there, you can keep it aside and you can always keep working over it, but money is essential. So go get some good money, go get a course where you can make a good money, chase a good career. So what should she really do? It's so confusing, right? What should she really do? That's what I thought was, I practically thought money is essential. So I thought she should research every possible interest of her which can give her some money, and maybe try deep diving in one or two, because she's still young. Try deep diving in one or two choices and refine it and see if she can make a life out of it, so the money and passion comes together. But I know this is a very shallow advice, so I want you guys to tell me, what can she do? She don't know what her choices are, so what will she choose? What if you don't know what were your choices? Comment and let me know if you like this concept, if you want more of it, and what type of problems you want to listen to. Or you can also share your problems so I can bring it up here. Do you like this concept? And also share what would be the solution for the problem I've kept right before you now. I'll be happy to receive even one response, because every perspective brings a new angle and go towards the solution, right? I'm so happy to do this. I'm awaiting the responses. Bye. See you.